Warren Buffett has always said that the first $100,000 is the hardest to achieve, not because it requires exceptional intelligence, but because it demands self-control, patience, and consistency. Understanding Buffett's idea of the first $100,000 means understanding how wealth is truly built. When people ask how to reach their first $100,000, many look for shortcuts. Buffett has always suggested the opposite approach: slow down, simplify, and focus on the process. If you are starting from zero, the priority is to accumulate capital, not to chase extraordinary returns. Building this first amount of capital means building wealth gradually, month after month, year after year. Buffett started early, saving every dollar he could and reinvesting it with discipline. It wasn't the rate of return that made the difference, it was consistency. The key element of the entire journey is compound interest. At the beginning, it feels almost invisible, even useless. But once you cross a certain threshold, capital starts to grow faster on its own. That's why reaching the first $100,000 completely changes the rules of the game. Buffett has always emphasized the importance of saving and investing at the same time. Saving without investing leads to stagnation. Investing without saving leads to instability. The first $100,000 should be invested in a simple, understandable, and long-term sustainable way. What truly makes the difference is financial discipline, doing the right thing even when it's boring, even when results are not immediate. This discipline is the engine of personal capital growth. The $100,000 goal is not just a number. It's the point where you stop relying solely on your income and start seeing capital work for you. Buffett has always considered this a fundamental milestone. You don't need to be perfect, you need to be consistent. That's how, according to Warren Buffett, real wealth is built.